Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix suspended TikTok account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you can do is head over to your TikTok app, and then once it loads, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the three horizontal bar on the top right corner of the screen, and then tap on settings and privacy. Now once you're inside here, scroll down until you find support, and then tap on safety center. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on community guidelines, and now here check to see if you have violated any of the community guidelines. Now just read it, and once you have done with that, go back to your profile once again, and once you're inside here, tap on your inbox, and once you're inside your inbox here, tap on system notifications. Now if you are facing with a ban, the mail or the message will display in the system notifications. Now in order to fix it, what you can do is just simply tap on the message, and once you tap on the message, below it you will be getting an option that says appeal. Now in order to fix it, all you gotta do is tap on appeal and then follow the on-screen instructions to fix your suspended TikTok account. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.